Hey everyone, okay, so this is the new product from Drunk Elephant, and before anybody asks, this is mine. I bought it myself from Cult Beauty. So this is what it looks like. It is a makeup melting butter cleanser, and it is amazing. I bought two. So shall we have a look at what it looks like? First of all, you get a magnetic spoon that's on the top of here to decant the product. Marvelous. This is what the product looks like. I know, a lot of nothing. 100 grams of product in here. This can be used to take off your makeup, and it is so gentle on the skin. Now, I've mentioned some cleansers in the past that really do leave your skin feeling like butter afterwards. This is up there with them all. Your skin feels amazing with this product. You can use this morning or night, or you can just use it a few times a week, depends on how you feel. This also makes a really lovely mask if you just want to leave it on for a while, because it is so emollient. It also comes with this bamboo booster exfoliant, which you can add to it a few times a week to create a manual scrub. And basically what you do is you take your little spoon, you scrape out a bit of product, like so, and you pop it into your hand. Then if you want to create a manual booster, a manual exfoliator, you take the little bamboo and you just kind of add a bit to it. Mix it around until it forms a glorious paste. And then you pop it on your face and you massage it all around for a good minute. And then you just wash your face. This takes off eye makeup, mascara, sunscreen, foundation, everything comes off with this product, with or without the manual exfoliating beads. And your skin feels like it has been left with a mask on. It is the softest feeling skin from a cleanser. And there was one I mentioned last year, Aurelia, which is so good, and that makes your skin feel so wonderful. But this just feels like butter after you've sort of taken it off. It is incredible. My only regret is that I don't have 12 of these. Now, in terms of longevity, if you're going to use this once a day, expect it to last approximately 6 weeks before you need to refill. A little goes an incredibly long way, and do spend a good minute massaging it into the skin to experience the full benefits of this product. Now, as with all Drunk Elephant products, it is amazing. I've yet to find one that I really dislike. And I just want to mention one thing, because it is important to me. The founder of Drunk Elephant, and this is my product, I did buy it. The founder of Drunk Elephant is that I had the most lovely time meeting her, and she was so kind and gentle. And I know that may sound peculiar, but she was so gentle. She had the most gentle spirit about her. There was no, you know what I mean, when sometimes you speak to somebody and they're a little bit gossipy and a little bit, you know, that can be fun, but there was none of that. She was the most gentle soul, and my time with her, the sort of hour I spent with her, it was so kind, and she was so considerate and compassionate and thoughtful, and the most softly spoken angel I've come across in a very long time. I was head over heels in love with her the moment I met her, because she was just wonderful. So I knew when this product launched, I didn't know this product was coming either. So I only found out when I saw it announced on email. So I bought it immediately, and I'm so pleased I did. Normal cleansing oils for me don't work very well. They cause me to break out, and I don't enjoy that, so I don't use them, including other makeup balms as well. I stay away from them just before a normal cleanser. You can also use this to double cleanse, this first, then your cleanser afterwards, particularly for those with oily skin that don't need the extra emollients that this product will give. Do a second cleanse with your normal cleanser, and all is well with the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.